time, sir.
That's not even the plot of the movie.
No, that's the beat.
Sorry, I was watching something. Hello! Bye. Hi! Yay! I had a good day! Today and yesterday, I was on like a zombie mode. Literally, I guess. No one wanted to sit next to me on a train. I'm coming back home like 9 o'clock at night. Everyone was like, I'm not sure what to do here, which is fine. More seats for me. FlameCon was amazing! Look, I got a plaque now on both sides. I got a plaque now. And it's rainbow! I'm gonna find a way to put this on my door. You can't see it from here though. Anyway. Oh my god. Both days were awesome. It's kind of a blur. I kind of like the cosplay corner. I wish other cons did it, so I tried. Other cons did it, especially with fixing costumes. You know, you sew for them. I didn't get to do anyone's makeup, but I get to do my makeup because it's new. I think mostly, you know, when it's a new thing, you don't know how to use anything. You're like, should I? It's like when you give away free stuff and people don't know, even though there's a sign that says free stuff. You're like, are you sure? Can I take this? I'm not sure. And maybe they're talking about something else, something like that. I do cosplay makeup, or kind of. Well, there's theatrical makeup, which basically what I'm doing, but there is no. I'm not sure if that's gunshots or whatever, but there's no cosplay makeup. Oh my god! It needs to die! This is too big to live in my room. I'm just gonna spray in that corner. I'm so scared. Where is it? Trinity, go get it. Go get it, girl. Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. I'm just gonna spray everywhere. I'm just gonna spray everywhere. I had a good day today, and this shit happens? Get that, Trinity. Unless you don't know what to do. I never teach her how to get things. I think it is gunshot. Are you listening to my pain? I can't take off my makeup now. I can't sit here. What if it... Alright, it's next to my bed. There's no way. There's no way. This smells like lemon, no. You guys, I can't sit down. I'll do my review from here. Actually, you know, screw the review. I don't think I could do it. Okay. Move! Trinity, move! So, I recommend this for anything. Flies. Well, not the small flies, but flies, ants, moths. I went all summer without one. Okay, so there's this one time, I had a moth, and I didn't want to kill it because I don't really mind bugs, especially when they're not near my bed. And it's a moth. It's those tiny moths. I was like, oh, it's a moth. I don't care. And then I came back a week later, and there's like a bunch, like over 30 of them in the closet, and they make maggots. So never again with a moth. If I see one moth, I'm killing it. I can't. You don't mess with my food. You don't mess with my pantry. No. As I sprayed it there, it wasn't a spider. It was this big ass one here. It was the big one. We call them water bugs here. I'm sure it's not a water bug, but it's huge, like this. So that's why I was moving stuff. Okay, thank God it wasn't a spider. I like spiders. I like because it killed roaches. All right. I haven't seen a roach in years, and you always see like 1 or 2 big ones because it's New York City. There's like sewers and blah blah blah. So you will get them no matter what. They will sneak in. But yeah, I haven't had roaches for years. Like, it's weird when we see at least one roach. We're like, okay, it's time to pest control. I'm just listening in case these things fly. I don't remember what I was talking about. So the FlameCon was amazing. I can't take a, I can't sleep. With the other ones, they like kind of run off and like whatever, but this one spray and it died. I just didn't know where it was. That's why I sprayed so much. Also, the lemon scent one doesn't smell like poison. The camera, stop. Here's the filling. This is supposed to be milk, but it looks like because they had a blueberry option. It tastes like a currants roll, but more crispy. It smells like milk. I don't like milk, but it smells good. That thing made me so full. Not the other ones. That one made me so full. Oh my gosh. I got soup though.